Hi everyone, I just wanted to share with you in Word 2019 in the Insert tab under 3D models, there is one that is called All Animated Models. And if you select an animated model, it not only is it 3D, but it actually moves. So I just wanted to share that with you. So I'll do a couple more. Unfortunately, this is not available on the school computers. So let me see if I can do a couple. So I've put a few more in there, and just to share with you, they're all animated. You can also make them a little bit bigger, and you can also rotate them, and then again they'll play for you. So this is pretty exciting. I wasn't able to share it with you on the school computer, but I just wanted to share with you that it does exist. Thank you.